In the quiet coastal town of Gilgo Beach, New York, a series of heinous crimes has left the community grappling with fear and uncertainty. The enigma surrounding the Long Island serial killer case has captivated the nation, as investigators strive to unravel the identity of the elusive perpetrator. It all began in 2010, when the remains of a young woman were discovered near Gilgo Beach. As investigators combed the area, their search led to the grim revelation of multiple victims, each shrouded in anonymity. The shocking nature of these crimes sent shockwaves through the community and set in motion one of the most extensive and perplexing investigations in recent history. Nestled along the picturesque shores of Long Island, this region was known for its serene beauty, a destination cherished by families seeking respite from the chaos of everyday life. The contrast between the area's tranquil ambience and the horrors that unfolded on these very shores left residents and visitors alike in a state of disbelief and profound sorrow. Behind the statistics lie the lives that were cut short, the individuals who once dreamed and laughed. As we gaze upon their faces, we honor their memory: Megan Waterman, a vibrant young woman full of aspirations; Maureen Brainerd Barnes, a loving mother whose smile lit up a room; and Amber Lynn Costello, whose compassion touched the lives of many. These are just a few of the victims, each with a unique story tragically interrupted by a faceless killer. Law enforcement officials have tirelessly pursued justice for the victims and their families. The Long Island serial killer investigation has presented numerous challenges, from sifting through vast amounts of evidence to navigating jurisdictional complexities. Yet, despite these hurdles, dedicated investigators have remained resolute, working together in a concerted effort to bring the perpetrator to justice. As we bear witness to the pain etched on the faces of the victims' families, we are reminded of the enduring strength and resilience within the human spirit. These families have become advocates, demanding justice and answers. They refuse to allow their loved ones to be forgotten, striving to ensure that their voices are heard and their stories are told. The Long Island serial killer case has had a profound impact, extending beyond the immediate community. Law enforcement agencies nationwide have intensified their efforts to address missing persons cases, recognizing the need for improved coordination and communication. The search for answers has also prompted advancements in forensic technologies, DNA analysis, and the establishment of databases to aid in the identification of unidentified remains. Furthermore, the tragedy has spurred legislative changes, ensuring that victims' rights and safety remain paramount.
Rex, did you do it?
Is this architect a serial killer cops have been hunting for 13 years? 59-year-old Rex Heuermann was arrested in a raid on his 11th floor office.
Rex Heuermann, a 59-year-old New York City architect, has been arrested in connection with the long-standing Gilgo Beach murder case. The arrest took place at his Manhattan office, marking a moment of hope for the families of the victims and the investigators who have diligently pursued answers for over a decade.
The work is not done here, but this is a major step forward in achieving the goal that we have had from the beginning, and that is, again, to bring closure to these families and to bring justice to the victims in this case.